Hey, what's up, it's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and today I'll show you how to add a logo on top of this video clip. Okay, I'll now just drag and drop the video clip over here. I'm in edit panel like this, and to add another track, right click on it under sequence commands like this, go to tracks, add a video, and you will have the top video free. And now just drag and drop. I will drag and drop my logo and drag it over here, and now drag it on the timeline. Problem is it's a black background because it's a PNG, so it's a transparent, so we need to remove this black thing. To do that, go to VFX over here on the top and try to find this 3D DVE, and now just drag and drop it to your image. But you can see that our logo is too big, so to reduce it, just use these top corner handles and this middle button to position your logo where you want to logo to be. For example, in the top right corner. If I go back to edit, you can see that our logo is here. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.